Hello guys, so welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Odategist TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
She came to brag. After they were listening, before she came, she took your advice.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Mary, you know I don't like putting my feet on the floor. Please call your people to come here because I am here to address only one incident. I am here to talk about Akuapem Polo. Good evening, Daniel. Good evening, EB Forcing. I want everybody to be here today because what needs to be said is about to go down now. Before I open my mouth and talk, this is my prayer shawl. Obia woni me bia nim say, ade a me di gu mi ti, e bom paye, e wa asori dem ni. Asem a me ba be ka ne no, se mi twa mu ntro ba akokora wo nyame won konkono, onje me kra emfiri me nsem. Asem a me be ka ne nrewe no, if I say one iota of lie here, nyame won konkono onji me kra emfiri me nsem. Asema beka no so a woni mo hwe na ba betina beka tron kwase a comment nyame won konkono onji wo kra emfiri wo nsem. Ansa na me bie ma no John come. Me say I am here to talk about Akuapem Polo. Monyi masu. Say you people want to hear. Come and stand here. What is your name?
John.
I can't hear you.
John.
Do you remember the day that it came on news that some people have reported Akuapem Polo to police over the child's picture? What happened?
No, you called her telling her that she should go and plead. You would even go with lawyers to beg for it. And then that evening, I don't know, it was like at the back of the phone, she was having a party. So she was in a rush and she was like, okay, mommy mate. But later on she came to say something different. And you were even disappointed that like I didn't went to Wafutu. Later on that's when she came to apologize and all that. So
thank you. Go and do what you were doing. Me say me baby ni me nuanu mu didi na me tie Peace FM News. And I me say child rights organization for a reporting Akuapem Polo. Asem way I make one Akuapem Polo no that pleasing no. Onim say eye no kore. When you are a big sister to somebody, you don't come and advise the person on social media. Me fa phone na me frɛ Akuapem Polo. Na me ka chen say dia why no. It is not right. Brande be video ne soon. I am quoting me to you people. Branda be video ne suna pagana for achew. Uria me lawyer nkra be father te. Me lawyer ne Gary ni mako. Don't run away from the police. I will go with you with my lawyer to the child rights organization and go and beg them. Now you come assembly with police station. I told her me fa phone Efra Akuapem Polo, e kan sa asem ne kire no. E ma wo ka kire me say, mommy, me da se. Ade chi no akwaje legal advice. Every na lawyer for no ho. Abetina se say a artistic impression. Na why an artistic impression when na mani ewia. Me mo pese me koka den. Mo pese me koka den. Oba fo mpo de e compliment. Because your mother never achieved what I have. Oh my media me won onye bi danu so onye bi mpa. I called the girl and I asked her to come out and apologize. I offered my lawyers. The next thing she was granting interviews to say, yes, many breno. Many breno because what ban nakedness. Na bra. Never say na me lawyer bi to say Gary ni mako. anan krabia e father te enko pacha woman eno na ye ni brand eno ena ye ni brand as I say mo mani abre me so se me meka de yen me meka de yen me faafo na me frɛ kwa pimpolo no na me nua kwabena wo ho na madam fumosho wo ho na me PA Richard me former PA Richard no wo ho me badron no wo ho na Tiny wo ho. Who else was there? Madam for Tiny Rasta Oton for no wo ho Mosho now I will tell you are live on speakerphone assembly by and the na me friend e kwa pimpolo ka kire no
assembly by last year June of friend and it was around 6 p.m. on Mokan Peace FM News.
Okay.
What year I say me bay assembly was the diagram and I'm betting and I away I cry as child right activist. I am not happy about this, but my main friend na main country and say on pacho also and patch on Ghana for. So super chowa Ghana for a little memorial channel. I want us an over one man lawyers. You mentioned 2 as lawyers in Ghana, which Darby Venice and Krabia. So I'll be in I'm on my woman child right for. And that night it was one of the best messages for years I didn't I said we to because he didn't stand you say, oh, Mama, that's it. I think I know what you're talking for the banner and more that was a sword. That was it. One.
Mosho me that's why. How why? What's that getting already?
You know, they're saying about best impression or artistic impression. Instead of coming to bed, but none of us yesterday and check. That's all.
E dia bi na mo person ka me ye statistic impression ni mu na mo ka kire ni se mani birini o be pa cha ni mu na mani ko birini e dia bi na mo person ka me ye me ntwa me ti because ye do obi akotum me nku me ho obi a me nya me judge me ya do ma court. Me say me far phone flag we have been polo. Now we were more than 8 people sitting on a table having dinner and listening to news. As someone make a way, me say I swear by the God of Mopa. As someone make a way, I swear with my life. I swear with my life. Say wambara na wo me sume pakana fo acho. Mo so catch me say me boa. Didn't I offer to pay her legal fees?
Oh yeah.
I gave you numbers and I am drunk. It is your stupid mother that is drunk. It is your stupid mother that is drunk. And you are familiar with them. I gave you numbers and here. Young Kuma Semno Nasia yo, and your artistic rights. And I want the consultation free while lawyer for. Why are Ghanaians forcing me down? Me didn't know. A Christian and I can't on account. Again, I'm a person here. Again.
People don't like you, they are happy. And the people when they have to shoot now, we thank you. So what do they want?
Again, when you come now, I sent you a call with now, so me time. And the baby did my time. And now, was your 4 some time on. And some no never bono. More person is soon. Me ready. Hey! Mabo badamo mo jale say de kofi obi okano mo jale I can call more than 7 people who come and tell you me say me friend we are pin polo in the middle of dinner on a table at Yetie News. I can call more than 7 people are coming right who may ban America to confess this. A dear be members and me. A dear Mojale. A woman for Mojale. Wow, poor madam. My poor madam. A dear numbers and me. I offered to pay her legal fee. I offered Odino Kuramana home. Nobody near for Bible that didn't see her and never be our dano. Maybe mother, I'll be ringing in her head. Because I told her, Sewana Pagana for Chewa. It will be war. I told the Grapping Polo what will happen. I told the Grapping Polo, me can't smell. I offered to help. No, what the advice? Every in the council, and the council next chance so make us say artistic rights. Now we're exercising human rights. Then they will go 90 days. I'm with mo shale. Mo shale. Yare. Mo yare dam. Ma bo boadam. Ma bo boadam. Court or move me home. Me na go to a statement. Mo why? And it's me far phone. And send the buyer. I called her. I offered to help her. As a big sister that I was to her. I offered to help her. I offered to even pay legal fees. You chassis poor Jimmy for. Yeah, and a Grapping Polo. What do I stand to gain from it? What does she have that I don't have 10 times of that? Again, a Grapping Polo, wow. Sadia, Mimi do. And I said, June, it will be fee. Again, a dino hang or castle millennium. A dino hang or castle millennium. And that Diana Millennium City means who I metal city. What shall kind of for what shall damo motim. Most of be nama. No more yarn, no crazy problem. We are not with the chassis. Now we be driving home. Oh, Bodam. We are now catch up with answer many people. A dear Grapping Polo, why? Maybe more than mini be a dear, meaning the times 10, a dear. Emma, me made it 20 years. Me made it 20 fucking years. May you have better work. So when you want me catch them, Babo Boadam. Do you feed me? Do I eat in your house? Huh? What about my baby? I need you all. Mo shale. On my way. Yari any down. A dear be an numbers and me. A dear beam. And a numbers maintain me check. And I come here to me one will be. Wow, Bobo down what it. Wow, Bobo you trust down. Wow, Bobo down. No. Miss maybe mother. I called the Grapping Polo. I called her. I advised her. I offered my lawyers. I offered something to the guy in my near child rights. I even told her, said, you are an actress. So act and cry. Now we soon are gonna fall. What else did you want me to do? Can I metro free polo? There are numbers in here. Me metro free polo.
No, if you say the truth, you should go and say if you didn't come here.
Why you even bothering yourself? Why you even bothering yourself? Why are you bothering yourself? I dear what pen. Nensaka. So what's all trending? What trending? What's all trending? What trending? Obiya nyame na masumunyu asuwe. Obiya nyame menye djuma court. Menye djuma e wo court. Why are they who are they to question me? Why? Dear no mo. Who are they to question me? Huh? Who are they to question me on what grounds? On what grounds? Me metro free polo. I showed her how to free herself. Mo show me boa catch on say me boa. Free polo no any say obecha no kwan a wo be fa so wunya amane no. Ah?
Before it always you told them.
Mo dia just bibia na ka me friend na ka mo social media. Hello, e Grapping Polo. Unim. Hey, the way na yo, fe gari ni mako, fe hwan yo. Nkura system no mo China food ni jimi no. Abo boada no. Munnim nyansa. Money abere na kana bi na kan pese mu di police for atem. Hey, a police for akron for. O ma kwaje bribe. A police for akron for ma. O ma kwaje bribe na ha mo. Ma bo boada mo jare. Mo kwa mo ka obi ntina girl ye na go to. Ma bo boada mo jare. Mo jare. Mo ka say emotions a loss. Mary, mo ka say emotions no a loss on. Mo ka say emotions a loss. Nanso so you say makasawie wa ne nti ase nkodi bin wa ne nti ase no ni wi afansa bom neta fere obo ne wona asia Mary hiti me ba nko ni metel apia ne mama mi ko na de bra me o oni ntwi ko kakra mama ate me pe me ko anu o hinte sa me fe ye de asem ne kwa wiye no me your bad time me bedru fie no ami hu me ba de pena na me hwe me ba dwom na me hwe me ba Mary na ye me ya e ma ne ba no eye me ya ma akua pimpolo ba no so bi be pointing in saka say ex convict ba na ekon eye me ya ma akua pimpolo ba no enso asi it has happened there was a sinasi enti no His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo Nana yesi wo ba ni gu na so ayentwa me e ka me kwa nkapolo no hye no enka 90 days no kwan ke so mo ma na 90 years e ka me kwa but ne ba no the child will be crying now. Imagine so china okodi agwa nana ochina okodi agwa e die na ne na fofo beka enti nana we your mother Roma Lawyer Gary, my friend lawyer. Lawyer Gary, Mother Roma. I know what you people can do. I know what you people can do. I know what you people can do. See, Lawyer Gary. Me, I am not condoning that foolishness. And I'm saying it again. I don't sympathize with the people in any way. But Mother Roma. Yes, Ramo. Semuni moa enyeyi entino we will just say temper you can say justice with mercy and you opiene kra oye ex convict opiene ko ex convict and I say you can say some reduce kra ba community cleaning kra lawyer munya bibi I know you people can work on it. And I'll make phone calls. His Excellency Pamacho, you can reduce the sentence to 7 you know, and also sentencing umpono, man referring to any counseling. Nothing. And once he has no counseling whatsoever, nothing that will benefit the person. And you know, I saw training the money amano. So when Sia we answer, minim you obey answer. No, but na Syria, obey who you are na downfall. Any you obey na downfall. And His Excellency Nana, yes, Remo. My ye be much reno, baninti. Temper justice with mercy. That's a dear. 3 days be 4 days be 1 week be. Moment presidential pardon. Now more community the sentence no. Into something community sentence or something. Because we are talking about the well-being of the child as well. Say me, I still remain Nana Yere Queen. If you was nigga, what time you cry? What here? What show me? That's how it is. Yeah, the common sense and the bye. Oh my bye.